Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donut dough without yeast. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures the leavening agent is evenly distributed, which is crucial for light and fluffy donuts. A good mix here sets the foundation for perfect texture. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Once smooth, gradually add this wet mixture to your dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until a shaggy dough forms. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough donuts, so stop as soon as everything is just incorporated. Now, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for about 1 minute, just until it comes together smoothly. Avoid adding too much extra flour. After kneading, cover the dough with a clean cloth and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll out and shape later. Finally, roll out your rested dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the donuts into the hot oil, frying for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Enjoy your delicious homemade yeast-free donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.